I am so nervous. I'm scratching.
What happened? Did we lose?
We really won! We won, Master!
I am old and poor. Lily, I can see your face clearly from here.
I have a super profitable investment project. Do you want to join? I have a blueprint to upgrade our house. Add a second floor, a fish pond, and a...
Run, everyone!
Master, I want to eat a mochi cake as big as my head.
I want a new kite. My old kite is completely broken.
No money. We don't even have enough rice to eat. How can we buy kites and mochi?
Master is hiding money again. Everyone knows he is secretly super rich. That's right, he is just playing poor.
If I were rich, I wouldn't eat plain porridge 3 times a day.
Hey, should we rob a bank? Great idea, Buck. With money, we won't be poor anymore.
You want to rob a bank and you shout so loud? Keep it a secret. Come closer and speak quietly.
I thought you hit us because robbing is bad.
I hit you because you are silly. You can't scream your secret plan to everyone. Wait, where is Kun this morning?
Oh, right. Where is that pig?
Master, the guards are here. Did they hear us talking about the money?
Oh no, I didn't even eat my mochi yet.
He is Master Kai. Our job is done.
I brought the payment for you.
What payment?
Ma'am, just give it to Master. You are so good at acting.
I am not acting.
Done! Master, I sold our house for 20 million coins.
You sold what?
Our house! The old lady offered a high price, so I thought it was a great deal.
This is the house we live in, you silly pig! Where are we going to sleep tonight? On the street?
What a mess! So do you want to sell the house or not?
Take your money back!
Give me my money back right now.
We are not selling our house.
1, 2, 3. Wait! It's missing 2 notes. Where are the other 2 notes?
Here. Take them.
Master, give me a few coins. I will buy something special for us.
What are you going to buy?
It's a business secret. Trust me, Master. Wow, look at you, Richie. Eating ice cream today? Did you suddenly become rich or something? Haha, this ice cream is nothing. I am going to be super rich very soon. Hey, mister. Yesterday you said this secret paper holds a big reward, right?
Yes, absolutely. A huge reward, I promise. Where is the extra money? Why are you holding nothing?
I bought an ice cream and a lottery ticket. We will win big.
You are so naive. Every seller says that to trick silly kids like you.
I am so nervous. I'm scratching.
What happened? Did we lose?
We really won! We won, Master! How much did we win?
20 million coins!
Shh! Quiet! Be quiet, everyone!
Please drop some coins inside.
Neighbor love is very important. Give me a share. I am old and poor.
Why does your voice sound so familiar?
Lily, I can see your face clearly from here.
I have a super profitable investment project. Do you want to join? I have a blueprint to upgrade our house. Add a second floor, a fish pond, and a... Sophia, we almost lost our house earlier. No more upgrades. Okay, maybe next time.
That is enough! Give us our money! Run, everyone! This is dangerous. Everyone knows we have this ticket. What if someone steals it?
Give it to me, Master. I will keep it safe. Wait, what if someone takes it from me? Buck, hold this. Oh man, my hands are chubby and sweaty. The ticket will get wet. Kun, hold it.
I don't have pockets. You look trustworthy. Hold this special paper for me, okay?
Did that dog just eat our lucky paper?
It swallowed our fortune! Kun, why did you hand it to a dog?
I thought he was just gonna hold it.
Where is the lottery ticket? Tell it to spit it out.
Oh, gross. It's over. It's completely destroyed. We can't claim the money anymore.
Well, 20 million coins went down the dog's tummy.
So what do we do with this dog now?
Just let it go. We don't need it anymore.
Why is it still following us? Does it think we are playing relay race?
Go away! Stop annoying us! Richie, you threw that stick so far. It made us lose our fortune. I just wanted it to leave.
What's this? Lost dog notice from a rich family. Cute Shiba Inu, orange and white fur, pointy ears, and a cute brown mark on its front paw. Reward for finding 20 million coins!
White fur, floppy ears, brown spot on the left leg.
That was the dog I just chased away, Master. Oh my goodness! 20 million coins for the second time?
What are you waiting for? Run and find that dog now!
Sophia, guess what? I'm gonna be super lucky soon. Really? Are you going to buy all my ice cream? Even better! When I get my big reward, I will buy you the prettiest hairpin in the whole market. Wow, really? A hairpin for me. You promise?
I promise, 100%. A real ninja always keeps his word.
All right, Ninja Richie. Here is a special strawberry scoop for you. Whoa, really? You are the best, Sophia. Should we go over there and ask him for a hairpin too? No way, let him enjoy his ice cream first.